Welcome back to part 2 of What the Hell Just Happened. Before the Affordable Care Act was instituted, most people got their medical insurance through work. The problem was many of them lost their or changed their jobs and then lost their insurance. And if you happen to have a pre-existing condition like I did, you couldn't get insurance for love or money. After the ACA kicked in, tens of millions of people were able to get medical insurance again, including yours truly, but it was still quite expensive, even if you were subsidized. The Republicans hated Obamacare so much, they tried to repeal it over 70 times. You remember the last time when John McCain upheld the law with his famous thumbs down on the repeal. But the Republicans were able to create some loopholes in an effort to whittle down the 28 million ACA subscriptions. For instance, they increased the ability to buy something called short-term health insurance, or shit-term health insurance, as I like to call it. Here's how it works. Say you can't afford insurance. While you're on LinkedIn looking for work, you get a robocall from a company that offers you health insurance. There were over 387 million of these robocalls in April alone. So you call them back and they quote you a $400 a month premium, which sounds good to you, so you buy it. But here's the thing. You don't want to get hurt or sick with this insurance because they only cover a few things. And they'll pay out in tiny increments up to a $4,000 cap for the year. This is like buying a sumptuous fixed price $40 meal, but the only thing the waiter brings is the bread. Oh, you wanted the other courses too? Well, that's going to cost you extra. Guess you didn't read the fine print on the menu. And the only wine you're going to get with that meal is, why did I buy this in the first place? So I really want to encourage you to look at the health care proposals being offered by the Democratic presidential candidates. Choose wisely, because you cannot live on bread alone. Next, we travel to the city of Lancashire in merry old England. It's here that James Anderson has plied his trade as a plumber and furnace repairman for many years. A couple of years ago, he noticed that another plumber he worked with was treating a 91-year-old woman rather poorly, and he didn't much like that, so he quit that job. Came back to the woman the next day and fixed her furnace for free. This gave him the idea to start his own nonprofit to help other seniors and families in need. He called it Disabled and Elderly Plumbing and Heating Emergency Repair, or DEFR. Over the last couple of years, Anderson and his workers have repaired boilers, plumbing fixtures, heating systems for 2,500 seniors and low-income homeowners, all free of charge. The father of five finances his services through online crowdfunding donations and paid jobs from customers who want to support his mission. Still, he's racked up almost $10,000 in personal debt since he launched his nonprofit. But Anderson told reporters, a lot of people close to me ask, why are you getting yourself into debt? Why are you doing this? To me, debt is just debt. I would rather owe some money to somebody and another person be alive and happy and safe. I'm guessing the reward Anderson earns from this work has nothing to do with money. Thanks for watching this edition of What the Hell Just Happened. If there's more news next week, we'll be back to talk about it. Bye for now.